Guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can put ask me anything on Snapchat story. So let's jump into the video. So what you need to do first is go to on your Snapchat account. If you're going to a Snapchat account, you have to click any picture or you can add any other picture in your gallery. I'm going to add this picture. So after that, what you need to do is click on the second option, third option right here. In the third option like stickers. Then what you need to do is click on the question. Please make sure you watch the full video and please leave a like on this video. After that, what you need to do is click on the question option in the fourth option right here, like this question. Then here you can type anything. I'm going to use this one, ask me anything. Then what you need to do is click on done after typing this. Then what you need to do is adjust the size or position of this. I'm going to make this bigger and put this on here. Okay. So after adjusting this, you need to click on send to. After that, here you can see here is a bunch of options. What you need to do is click on your choice. I'm going to click on this public. Okay. After that, you need to post this story. So this is how you can add any Q&A or you can add ask me anything on Snapchat story. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Peace.